for the best tasting whole egg healthiest mayonnaise made with no vegetable oils. Right, here we go. Tools you're going to need is a stick blender that basically fits inside a cup or a pot so that there's basically no space left, so it fits perfectly in the bottom there. That's so that the emulsifying process can begin with 99% egg and the smallest amount of olive oil in the bottom there to start the emulsification process. Otherwise it won't work and hold together. So here we go. We're using an excellent flavour and a really good olive oil. In Australia this one's the Cobram's Estate, and they were assessed by the University of California, Davis, and they did an analysis on the olive oil and said that it had no other sneaky products in it. Anyway, so basically as much olive oil as you need for the amount of mayonnaise that you want to make. I'm going to pop that in all the way to the bottom over the egg, and then just going to pulse it to get it started, to get the emulsifying going. So here we go. Looks like it's going. So now I'll go full throttle on it. Coming together really well. Just getting the last bit of the olive oil. And that's basically it. And then look how thick this is. Absolutely thick as anything. There's nothing really much left to do. That's it. It's done. But I like to flavour it, so that's what we're going to do next. So a little bit of lemon juice. So I've already squeezed the lemon, so just a little bit of that. Horseradish. Now I haven't got any horseradish paste or anything, so this is a dried horseradish, which is quite good. So I'll put about, I don't know, that's pretty good. Some Dijon mustard, or any mustard that you like. So about a teaspoon of that. And all important apple cider vinegar. Just basically, I don't know, maybe a cupful. So all these liquids are going to make the mayonnaise not quite as thick as it was a minute ago. And what you can do to thicken it up is I put in a no-taste beef gelatin. Now, if you're a vegan or a vegetarian and you don't want that, then you can put in some carrageenan, which is a gelatin from seaweed. But I've already pre-dissolved just a little bit of the gelatin in a cup, so I'll put a little bit of that in there, and that will make it nice and thick once it's in the fridge. So I'll just mix all these up. Done. That is it. Absolutely finished. And still, actually this one's held together quite well. So it's still really thick. All those flavours will be mixed in now. The olive oil tastes fantastic on its own. And I usually try and mix it in one of these, a pot that you don't have to take it out of. Just put a lid on this and stick it in the fridge. And I've had these last well over a week with no preservatives. And that's basically it. And you can just use one egg, and even with one egg and fill the pot up, we'll make more. And that's as quick and as easy as it is to make mayonnaise. Enjoy. One of the problems that you do get sometimes is that the emulsification doesn't start very well and it ends up very runny. No need to throw it out. Just pop another egg in and try the process again. And if it doesn't work that way, then you have to start again. But that's basically it.